Someone's got hit, it's quite no shit. It's like red tape already slow, isn't it? We can smash them into next week. Right guys, so what we're going to do is we're pushing up on the village area. For anyone that doesn't know where it is, it's about 100 yards that way, it's not too far at all. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go 360 degrees on this game. You can go wherever you like, okay, to complete your objective. You can go in your little squads, you can go as a big unit, whatever you want to do, okay? Now there's going to be 2 respawns available to you. One is going to be myself and one is going to be my colleague Mark, who's going to be on a buggy up the other side of the village on the fire break, okay? He's the fire marshal for this guy, for today, so he'll be up there, okay guys? So all you got to do is come and find us. We'll give you a nice little thumbs up. It will be as simple as that, all right guys? So you've got unlimited lives, so use them to your advantage. Okay. Where you been? Ah, well done guys, well done. All sorted? Brilliant. Well, so what we're doing is we're pushing up on the village area. Okay, you have unlimited lives. You've only got 2 respawn points, myself or my colleague up on the fire break. Okay, just come and find us and we'll give you a thumbs up and you're straight back in. The mission is this: you need to push into that area and you need to get to the Cock Inn, okay, which is the pub, and there on top of that is a cone. You need to get a photograph of you doing something comical with that on your head or something like that, or you know, but don't try and insert it in something.
Oh!
Don't have to go take it to a stream.
I'll take one for the team.
A nice comedy photograph would be appreciated, okay? And once you've done the cock-in, or whichever way round you want to do it, listen up please. Listen up please. Thank you. Whichever way round you want to do it, then the other objective is on the top of the town hall, okay? Same thing applies. Nice and simple, guys.
Was it Jurassic Park Jeep as well?
No, I don't think so.
He said 3. He said 3.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Even better. Okay, brilliant. Yeah, Jurassic Park Jeep it is. That makes it an even better game. And also the nice thing is you can go all the way around the back and you have got a respawn point up by there. So fantastic. So get your objective points, find your cones, comedy photograph, job done.
If we could set the coons up by the cooking, please.
So what we need to do is get there, find those objectives, get a nice comedy photograph with them, and straight from there. All right, guys? Nice and simple. All right, guys. We are all briefed at this end, ready to go.
So it's cock first, yeah? Cock first.
Doesn't matter, any order.
Oh, any order.
Yeah.
So we've got the cock, the jeep,
And Town Hall.
and the town hall.
The base is spread.
Oh, right. Well, the town hall's there. No, sorry, the cock's there, the town hall's there, and the jeep is kind of in the middle further, isn't it? Yeah.
It's right in the middle of the suburbs at the edge. So probably best to get it from the other side.
And there should be marshals to take the photos, right? Yeah.
The marshal would probably beat.
I'll be like, where's my phone?
Yeah, taking the photo. We're just
Yeah, we're doing the insertion. What, the
no.
thing on the head. The thing on the head. Oh, we can't do that.
Children look at
I wish I'd listened more. Oh, I've got a laser on the daylight. Oh, good.
I think I've seen one of the posts.
I'm on a couple of them. I know when I'm not paying attention or something.
So I'm on a few posts, but I've never really looked at them.
Oh, I've got no dot.
Let's go that all together.
The thing is, though, if you can get
Works.
Yeah,
Still working. I was filing down the hop and everything to make this thing, and I think I know what. I think it's about right, but I'd like to put a nice straight hop in if I can at some point. Hop the whole unit.
purposely die here and then just be dead the whole way up there.
They let you do that.
I mean, they allow you to respawn where you want.
We can try and push this way if we die.
I got both my guns in this. I think it was a long time ago. But all I need to know is
Okay, sorry. That is you, yeah? I'm thinking I'm never going to find him.
Yeah, mate. Just, you recognise me now.
Yeah, Neo, yeah?
Yeah, that's the one.
Right, you seem like a nice guy.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you will never be an arsehole.
Never.
Try to help everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And always take your hits, even if it's a ricochet and you're not sure.
Yeah, 100%. Always.
Put them on. Yeah, you want to wear one today if you're rolling with us? Are you looking to join as well or not?
I don't know.
See how you get on. You can wear it for today if you want.
I got nowhere to put it.
Alright.
I got it. Yeah.
Alright, they're both yours then.
Thank you.
And have a think about it. Well, I've got to know you're right first. I've been chatting to this man for a while, so.
I'm a good judgment of character, hopefully.
Hopefully all my team are.
Good. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.
No,
What
come on.
GoPro are we running?
It's a DJI
Oh, is
Action 5.
I'm thinking of doing the Nano.
Ah,
Because I wanted something small.
So you'll have to walk all the way round, yeah? So you can, but you'd have to back out.
That is so lovely.
oh, we have started.
Right, time to learn the sight, man. Are we getting shot already?
Yeah, probably. It's only about 75 yards. Cross in! Oh! Push up! Push up on me! Hit! Nice one! What was it? Was it Buddy? Oh, not Marshall, was it?
Here's Marshall at the back.
Is it Marshall? Is he still this way?
Take
Oh, you've hit your knee as well. That's what I did last week. Look, it's pushing it, just pouring out again all of a sudden. Hey,
What's that today?
I knocked it last week, massive scab across my old knee. It's just started leaking. Might have to get fixed. Yeah, look. I did that last week, just knocked the scab off. I think I'll be alright to dry it in a minute. Right, I'm in, yeah.
First one, you straight to the back.
Yeah.
Hey! Oh, gun, there's a gun hit. What have I got? I've got bangs.
Yep.
Oh, Christ, cool. Is it loaded? Ready?
Ready to go.
Fucking booty! Hey, yeah, we're over. Hey, nice one! Should have had a bacon sandwich. Oh, puffy now. Cross in! Where's the dude? Let me a gun, I'll find him. Whoever lent. Yeah, who lent it? I'll leave it with the marshal. I've lost my gun. Can you hold it for someone? I can't remember who lent it to me just now, but I've now got to find my gun as well.
Fuck me, I'm out of breath already.
I'll put it in my pouch because they'll recognise me.
Otherwise they won't know.
So as soon as you put it down, I thought, Right, where did I get that gun hit? I've no idea. Anyone seen the gun? Right, that's out. Where did I leave mine? Sorry. Anyone seen the silly little girl's gun? It's about that big. Where was I when I got the gun here? Oh, fuck it. Hey!
And they all got the black line down in the basket.
I still can't find me. I don't care anymore. Got a couple of bangs. He'll turn up. Bloody ADHD. I forget all the time.